Hi, well, this is just a short instructional video on how to shape our sisal and our ringa baskets. The baskets sometimes come flat like this. We save a lot on shipping that way. Well, we have two methods. We can use a simple spray bottle with simple water in it, or we can use one of these pump sprayers that you can get at a hardware store. We like these because we do a lot with these. We do a lot of baskets. So I'm just going to put that down there so I can pump this up a little bit. And then I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to start with this one because these take a little bit longer. I'm going to spray this with some water. Let this sit. Let that sit there for a minute. And then these that are flat, I'm also going to take these and spray these with a little water here. Let it sit. It's nice to let them sit. Again, you can use this spray bottle to spray them. Doesn't take a lot, but it's nice to let them sit. I'm not going to bother with this. This is the same. So let them sit for a few minutes if you have time. We want to make this kind of short so you don't get bored. But anyway, do this, shape them, wet them, and then you just begin to shape them. So what I like to do is I like to start at the bottom and go around and find that rim there just to get that going. And that starts to shape, just automatically starts to shape the basket. And then it just requires a little bit of getting that nice and round. So you can see, and the longer you let it sit, the more it becomes easier to work. So here, that didn't take too long to get that shaped. Again, start with the bottom, press that middle in, go ahead around the edges, and then start pressing these sides in where the crease is. Like I said, spray them a little bit more with a little more water, and then just come in, shape them. And again, you can look at them to see how they look. I like to pat them a little bit, get them going. So that's that with these sisal baskets. So that didn't take too long. These take a little bit longer. They require a little more waiting time, but spray them real good and then just begin to, again, start shaping them. I like to push that spot out and then go ahead here. I try not to put too much water on the rest of it where it's round, but right where that crease is. And that's that. Again, you can see I sprayed this a little bit more in this area just to get it wet. And there you go. All right, I hope that helps.